Free education for kids. Come and buy one book for your child. Come and buy one book for your child. Free books, education.
This world has turned upside down. How can someone call himself a motivational speaker and a teacher selling those books holding a cigarette in his hands? What are kids going to learn from him? After all, it's a wrong selling location. Shamar, pano apatengeseru. Ndimurikisa mapoto muroad nemsika yenywi.
No. We are seeking survival, my brother. Life is not fair. If only there was a chance, I could go back in my mother's stomach and never choose to be born again. Things are hard in this country, but there's nothing to do. We cannot change the government.
Yo. Stop there, you little vice versa repeater. By the way you speak, I can clearly see that you are South African. It is believed that in your country, there is a high number of thieves than real people. You are the ones who are painting our country black. Of course you are black, but the black you are painting is not the black of black, but the black of darkness. Stealing money with your eyes closed. And you think you can get away with it?